So this is pretty cool, y'all. I chose to come outside. So far some salad has come out. This right here is a Spanish omelet. Very hot. Look at that, y'all. It looks amazing. OMG. Oh, that is nuts, syrup. That's like chocolate. I cannot. Check it out. This is pretty cool, y'all. I chose to come outside because they were able to tune down the music here, and they do have outside seating also. Seafood, chicken, and sausage. That's the Valencia and the marinara.
It's only seafood.
Only seafood. Okay, we're gonna get the Valencia. Check it out. So right now in the paella, I see mussels, I see clams, I see lobster, squid, shrimp, chicken, and I see sausage. Look at that sausage. Let's grab the clam. See the clam? It has a little bit of rice in there. See that right there? We're gonna dig that clam right out of there. Oh wow, the flavor in that thing is amazing. Just for my junk. The chips have like this little salt on them. And y'all know I absolutely love salt. I'm sidetracked on these chips. Squid. That squid has so much flavor in it. I don't understand it. So I'm going right for the sausage. You know how squid is really gummy? It's not gummy, it's chewy. The flavor is brilliant. The sausage is good, but I love seafood. So let's go to the chicken. Sausage is really tasty. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the sausage is bad. But when I think of paella, I'm not a paella expert neither. When I see paella, I think of the seafood. Oh wow. That chicken is good. Oh wow. I like the way it's like boiled too. The skin is soft on it. We're going for the mussels next. Those are the mussels. I know some of y'all like, he ain't got no mussels. You know, I haven't taken a spoonful of rice yet, but the rice is delicious because I'm eating it out of these shells. Look at this, y'all. Look at that right there. Look at this. That's the mussels. I need another one real quick. Now, that mussel has a little gummy piece in it. All mussels do, but all mussels doesn't taste as juicy and delicious as this one. I like it when you bite it and them juices just squirt out in your mouth. We about to go into this right here. I got some shrimps on the side there. Man, look like scallops in there too, man. Look at that. Can y'all see the scallop right on the top? Let's check it out. That's really good, y'all. The only thing I haven't eaten is the lobster. Let's go for the lobster. Go for the lobster. Sorry about that little sun glare that's in here, man, but it is what it is. Let's check it out. We're not gonna eat that head part. We might bite on it a little bit. So there's a whole lobster claw. If it's a claw in it, right, where is it from? It's only from one of two places. And one of those places is where? Put it in the chat. Put it in the comments. Where would you get a lobster claw on your lobster? I'm eating with my hands, y'all. We are not trying to be nice. This food is absolutely delicious. I am here at Fornos on Ferry Street in the Ironbound section. I suggest you come here and try this paella. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. 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 That lobster is so tender. All right, if I was to rate that meal, I would rate it a number 9. Number 9 here at Fornos of Spain in Newark, New Jersey. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you hang with the right cat now. I love you guys, man. Thanks for liking, subscribing, staying tuned. We coming back with more real soon. Stay connected. We're coming back with more real soon. Then when I thought it was all said and done, they brought out the churros. Oh, yeah. I think that's syrup right there. Oh, my goodness. Let's check it out. All right, y'all. Let's check it out. All right, let's check it. Oh, that is not syrup. That's like chocolate. I cannot. I'm going to hear from my subscribers. They're going to be like, are you eating chocolate on churros? That right there is magical, y'all. I've never had churros like this. Hold up. They bugging. They are so bugging. I'm gonna have to run 5 miles after this. These are the best churros I've ever had in my life. And that chocolate. My doctor's gonna be mad at me. A Spanish omelet right there. Let's go into it. Not too much. I don't want to spoil my appetite. Oh, wow, that's good. I got a lot of food coming, y'all. I don't want to dig in too much on one thing, but that is absolutely delicious. It's potatoes and it's eggy and it has the bell peppers in it, the red and the green bell peppers. It is so tender. That's good. That's good, y'all. We're gonna keep it moving real fast. I'm trying not to eat. This is really delicious, so we're gonna finish eating this. Private.